Struggling to keep things moving? There's a Zoho sign feature you need to know about.
You know that feeling when important documents are just sitting there waiting for a signature?
Maybe you're on the road and just can't get to that urgent paperwork.
Or you're just slammed with meetings, and suddenly you're the one holding things up. Well, what if there was a simple, secure way to fix this? Good news there is.
It's called delegated signing, and it lets your workflow,
Well, keep flowing.
so how does this actually help you out day to day? Let's get into it.
You get quicker turnarounds, total transparency, and way more flexibility. Everything just runs smoother.
And here's the best part. Every single action is traceable, so you get both speed and security. All right, how do you set this up? Don't worry, it's incredibly easy.
It's literally 4 quick steps to give signing power to a colleague you trust.
And you are always in complete control. You set the exact start and end dates. Just a heads up, you can only have one active delegate at a time. Keeps things simple. And of course, you can edit or remove that delegate whenever you need to. You've got the final say. The difference is pretty dramatic, right? From being the bottleneck to empowering your team. Oh, one quick thing. Your account admin might need to flick a switch to turn this on.
So the bottom line is simple. No more delays. Your work keeps moving forward.
So why wait? This is ready to go in Zoho Sign right now. Now that approvals are sorted, what's the next bottleneck you're going to solve?